All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Hey, I appreciate y'all taking some time out of your day to watch these videos, man. I really do appreciate it. Hopefully this will be a good one for you because I've had a lot of questions about the Dominator and the Gateway, and people were thinking it's just the Holley Dominator and things like that. So we're going to get into everything you need to get. We're going to go to the Big 3 website. I'm going to walk down through it. And then what I need you to do, because Big 3 Racing had a huge fire, they wound up losing everything. So thoughts and prayers out to Big 3 Racing. If you want, you can go to their IG, Big 3 Racing, or their Facebook page. Please let them know, hey, prayers and thoughts go out to them because they literally lost everything. What you're going to have to do is probably go to Dave, and Dave can work with Big 3 to get you what you need. So there's a lot of different options that we're going to go through. So let's get to it right after this intro. All right, so I'm not going to waste a lot of time. We're going to get right into it. So here's the two main things you're going to need. There's some other things you're going to need as well, and we'll get to those as we go down the web page, and I'm going to bring the web page up in front and talk behind it. Here, this is the Gateway. It looks just like almost a stock PCM from the rear, and then here's your plug and play harness. Okay, and then coming down, the Dominator is down below there. Now, this thing only, and we'll get to it in a second, it only works with Dominator and Terminator. So those are the only two Holley EFIs this thing works with. Let's get into looking at the ordering process and what you're going to have to discuss with Dave to make sure you get the right thing for your setup. So here's the website. So like I said, here's the Gateway. Here's a few things. They talk about a few things right there. That's the Gateway by itself. Some of the pins, some of the stuff. So you come down. This is just for the Gateway, the 2797. We'll get to kind of where I'm at here. We'll just go through kind of my setup. So plug and play Holley for 15 to 23 V8 Charger, Challenger, and Jeeps for off-road use only. That's their EPA cover to make sure they're good to go. So I'm a 2016 Challenger RT automatic. Now here's where you pick your ECU. So talk to Dave. Give him your plans, what you want to do, how you want to do it, and things like that. And he'll tell you which one's better for you, because as you can see, the Terminator X is much, much cheaper than the Dominator. But for these purposes, I'm doing my setup, so we're going to go with the Dominator. Power harness. I think we went with the extended length power harness because we ran it from the front all the way to the back of the car. Screen, we didn't get a screen, which I'm eventually going to get a screen, and I'm going to go with the 7-inch screen because it has a lot more functionality in that screen. And the functionality I'm looking for is it supports virtual switches. So enough of that. Coil driver kit. I don't think we ordered anything. O2 sensors, you do have to order O2 sensors specifically for the Holley. So I think we went with the Bosch O2 sensors, I think. And Matt can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong because he watches all my videos. And the secondary O2 sensor and harness. And then you can come down here and you can get other add-ons if you want them already added to your Dominator or your Terminator. So you can do boost control, flex fuel, IO pin kit. That's to do any other input outputs. You can get a harness. You can get the ECU mount, which I think we did get. And then you just click this understanding. So now if you go back up to where we were, you're looking at roughly $6,402.78. So yes, it is not cheap, but it is well worth it depending on what you want to do. Now, make sure you come down here and read these extras down here at the bottom. And if you have any questions, there's their phone number and their email. But like I said, probably work through Dave first before going to them, because like I said, they had a fire last Friday and they're dealing with a bunch of other things right now. So if you come down here, so they say this a couple times, if you're using a Dominator, you have to lock your cam. It can't be limited, it has to be locked. So like I said before, right here, the only two you can use is a Terminator X and the Dominator ECU. So keep that in mind. We did talk about the power harness a little bit, and coil drivers, and the wideband sensors that work with Holley. So you might as well buy them while you're ordering, because you're going to have to order them anyway. So for those of you that want the Terminator, here's some more instructions for you and a little more extras here and there. So that's the ordering process. Now the installation process is pretty lengthy. I'm going to cut this off. So there's a lot to the installation, especially if you get the back for it and all of that. And I highly suggest you do get the ECU mount, because what it does is it mounts right behind your front fender. Well, that's where we mounted mine, right behind my front fender, and then ran all the wires. We cut a hole. I think I did do a video on it. Maybe I didn't. I can't remember. But we cut a hole in the side of the fender, ran all the wires through the engine bay into the passenger side. Yeah, so don't get this wrong. Just by getting the race gateway and Dominator or the Terminator ECUs is not going to gain you any power or torque. What it is going to do is give you way more control over all of the other things that the stock ECU PCM doesn't allow you to do. One, the boost cut that we ran into. Now again, there's ways around that boost cut. Are they safe to do? My opinion, I think it's a little iffy if you want to do that. But so if you're going over 23, 24 pounds of boost, I highly suggest, doing this kit, because it's going to keep you safe. It's got a lot of safeties in there. And I'm not sure how many are in the Terminator, but there are a lot of inputs and outputs for the Dominator. And that's kind of why we went with the Dominator, because we knew we were going to go that far. We wanted to do boost. We wanted to do nitrous. We wanted to do flex fuel. We wanted to do many different safeties, oil pressure, fuel pressure. That's another input output that you have to add. And there's plenty more out there. I'm just trying to name some things off the top of my head, because you know me, I don't script anything. I go everything kind of off the top of my head. There you go, folks. That's my setup from Big 3 Racing. That's where we got it from. Dave is a dealer. EFI Specialties, they are a dealer for Big 3 and these ECUs and gateways. So contact Dave. He can walk you through it and get you what you need, and he can get you set up. So that's going to do it for this one, folks. I hope you got something out of this. Hopefully it answers a lot of questions on, hey, is it just the Dominator, or do you got to get some, how much was your Dominator? Well, it wasn't just the Dominator. It's the race gateway and everything else that goes with it. Right. So it was a tough question to keep answering in my DMs and on comments on YouTube. So I just went ahead and did this quick video. Did this quick video just outlining everything that goes into this setup. And it's I would say it's for, if you're going to do it yourself, hopefully you're a good medium type guy, because like I said, you got to do some cutting, you got to do some routing wires and things like that. And then you got to do some inputs, outputs. So you got to have kind of that, a little bit of electrical background too, to do that. That's it in a nutshell, folks. So if you want, the setup that Shake and Bake's got, it's going to cost you. It's going to cost you. But like I said, you get all those bonus features that you can use with the Holley Dominator. And like I said, some of those you can use with the Terminator. I just don't know how robust the Terminator is. So I suggest do your research on both the Dominator and the Terminator, and then talk to Dave and your goals and things like that, and he'll get you the right Holley EFI that you need to go with the Gateway. But that is going to do it for this one, folks. I hope you got something out of it. Until next time, adios.